Caitlin? Where are we going? Don't know. We are going for house hunting. Ngayon lang kami nakalabas uli, guys. For how many months? Dahil mga kalahati na ng populasyon dito sa Malaysia is vaccinated and the government is allowed na yung mga tao na na fully vaccine lumabas, but then may limit, still there's a limit for the children, age limit as in, dahil yung mga 18 above kailangan din nilang makakuha ng vaccine. Pero yung government namin is sinisiguro pa kung kung safe na yung vaccine para sa mga teenagers. So, yun yung kwento natin ngayong araw na to. So, mamaya ipapakita ko kung nasaan na kami at saan yung bahay. Titingin-tingin lang kami ng bahay muna dahil medyo tumatanda na po tayo, and then yung condo mahirap na kapag marami kang bibilhin tapos aakyat mo pa sa taas. Yun, titingin-tingin lang muna tayo. Yung view parang makatakot naman dito. Medyo masikip yung daan dito. How to say? Kampong area. Wala sa KL. Marami din silang ganito. Katulad dyan sa atin, sa Pilipinas. So, pero dun sa mga dun sa mga loob na area, mga ganito. Yan.
Yes, hi, hello, it's me, yes. So today I will be voice overing today's vlog. Yeah, enjoy! We have arrived at our destination and we had our own personal buggy to ride us to our showroom. So we have arrived at our showroom and there is a total of 3 different designs. Type A, Type B, and Type C. But unfortunately, Type A wasn't available that day. I don't know why. So apparently, Type A was sold out. Yeah. So since Type A wasn't available, we could only show you the design of Type B and Type C. I'm sorry, everybody. So this is Type B. Once you stepped inside, you would see a lovely living room and the dining area.
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants. So here is your dining area, and next to it is the bathroom. This bathroom has a shower, a sink, and a toilet. This is the first bedroom and it's enough to fit a queen size bed. This bedroom is for those people who doesn't like going up the stairs. Yes, you. This is just an extra space on the living area. You can decorate it or put your own display or even have a mini tea table like this one. I was showing you that the kitchen has a sliding door and it got stuck, so so we are here at the kitchen. There is a lot of cabinets and storage you can put. There's an oven and the laundry section is also here. There's a backyard for you to run around. Run around. And outside here is a small porch where you can barbecue or just relax, have a drink, or you can even put a fireplace. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
There are more storage under the stairs, as well as the electricity panel. On the second floor has a total of 3 bedrooms, and each room comes with their own bathroom. So this is the master bedroom with a king size bed and a walk-in closet. So this is the master bathroom. So this is the second bedroom, and it also has its own bathroom with it, and this room fits a queen size bed. This room only has an average closet since it's too small for a walk-in closet. So this is the final bedroom, also come with its own bathroom. As you can see, this room is slightly larger than the previous one, so this room can fit a king or a queen size bed. So that's the whole type B house tour. Let's go check on type C. So we are here at type C. As you can see, the dining area is much more larger than type B, and it has a dry and a wet kitchen. This design is similar than type B since it also has a bed and a bathroom on the first level. We forgot to record the second floor. It's similar to type B. It also has 3 bedrooms. But type C only has 2 bathrooms on the second floor. So it means that room 2 and 3 are sharing the same bathroom. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you liked today's house hunting. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell so you will be updated whenever we post a new video. And remember to stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye!
Meanwhile,
SpongeBob.
Horace is here. If nautical nonsense be something you wish, then drop on the...